Hi there! Today, I'd like to introduce you to the tablet PC of BAUER Maschinen GmbH, together with its associated apps and range of features. Its robust case makes the tablet PC ideally suited for the daily challenges of a construction site. Now, let's turn to its functions. The tablet PC comes with the familiar pre-installed apps. The absolute highlights, however, are all the other practical applications that make your work easier. First, let me introduce you to the Vnc Viewer. With this viewer, the B-Tronic screen is transferred from the operator cab to the tablet PC via a WLAN connection so that you are also able to receive all information outside the machine. This allows work processes to be monitored or sensors on the machine to be checked. Then, there are the other diverse applications of the BAUER world. The BAUER world serves as an interface to the different key topics of BAUER Maschinen GmbH. This will take you to the customer center. The BAUER Equipment Management Program, WebBGM, provides you with a daily report or a production data analysis report. The DTR status can also be retrieved and displayed here. Using the B-Activity application, the operator can also record his current activities at BAUER World. The evaluation of the activities in the WebBGM helps our customers to accurately analyze the construction site activities and to calculate future quotations. With the PDF Expert, you can also always access important documents, such as operating manuals and spare parts lists. In addition to training videos for our assistance systems, you can also edit piling plans and include other useful data content. And what else is handy? All necessary user details have already been stored, and there is an additional credit balance for use with other apps. We hope you'll enjoy using the functions of your tablet PC from BAUER Maschinen.